If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 2000, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it on your PC step by step. This issue is usually caused by a browser problem, a bad cache, an extension conflict, a network issue, or sometimes even a temporary outage on X itself. So instead of guessing, we're going to go through each fix in the right order to help you get back into your account as quickly as possible. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common reasons X throws an error 2000 message, because old or corrupted site data can stop the page from loading properly. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then change the time range to all time so you clear everything related to the issue. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try loading X again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the problem. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to test X in an incognito or private browsing window. This is important because extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN add-ons can interfere with how the site loads. To do this in Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. A private window opens without your usual extensions and stored browser data. Now go to X and try signing in again. If the site works in incognito mode, that tells you the issue is probably one of your browser extensions. At that point, go back to your normal browser window and disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. This is a very effective way to isolate the problem without changing anything else. If incognito still doesn't solve it, then the next thing to check is your network connection. Error 2000 can happen when X can't properly connect to its servers because your internet connection is unstable or your ISP is blocking certain traffic. A very simple fix is to restart your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to reconnect fully, then test it again. This refreshes your network and can solve temporary connection issues very quickly. If you suspect your internet provider may be restricting access, another option is to try a VPN. Turning on a VPN can sometimes help bypass a local network restriction or routing issue that's triggering the error. If X loads normally with a VPN turned on, then the issue may be related to your ISP or network path, rather than the website itself. Of course, use a trusted VPN and only test this if you're comfortable doing so. Now, if you've tried all of that and the error is still there, the problem may not be on your device at all. Sometimes X or Twitter has a wider outage, and that means a lot of users will see similar errors at the same time. To check this, go to Downdetector and search for X. Look at the reports graph and recent user complaints. If you see a spike in reports, that usually means the issue is on the server side, and in that case, the best solution is simply to wait until X fixes it. So to quickly recap, start by clearing your cache and cookies, then test in incognito mode, then check your router and network, try a VPN if needed, and finally verify whether X is actually having an outage. Following those steps in order will solve the majority of error 2000 issues without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another or Twitter issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.